Hey guys, Samantha Starlight 808 here once again with the second part of Unboxing and Review Day. So this is part 2. So I have 2 Amazon packages left. So I'm going to open this one next and leave this one on the side. And I have another DVD inside. So let's open this up and see what it is. Let me get my scissors. Let me put my phone down for a second while I do this. Okay, got it open. And what do we have here? Oh, we got another DVD. This time we got the Doodlebops, Get on the Bus. As you can see on the front, we got Dee Dee, Rooney, and Mo, and we got bus driver Bob. Here's the front, spine, and the back. The episodes are The Solo Surprise, All Aboard the Doodle Train, Where's Mudge, and Mood Doodles. So on the back we got some a Mo, and we got Dee Dee and Rooney. The running time is 86 minutes. So let me unseal the DVD sealer safety thing, whatever you call it. Okay, that was easy. Not that I expected to be. I think it can't be that difficult. It's okay, let me use my scissors. Okay, there we go. Alright. Sorry guys, I have one-handed difficulties. But I got it unsealed, so here's the disc. So that's part 2 of Unboxing and Review Day. Unboxing and review videos. So yeah, this is going to be the last part of the unboxing and review video. So stick around for that.